Hi guys, I want to record this video real quick to go over the assignment that is due before our next class. So this is chapter 3, lesson 1, A New Faith, day 1, and you need to make sure to finish these 2 questions on this assignment before our next class so we can start on our group work. So make sure you read through this key vocabulary. Change the font color to red once you've read through them. So you'll just go here, highlight the word like Arab. When you finish Arabia, reading that, you'll do that. I forgot to finish my definition for nomad on there. Sorry about that. So you guys can just Google that to look it up. Here's a quick little map just to let you guys visualize what this area looked like in the year 600. Looks very different today. So I want to make sure you guys can visualize it. So you got a couple paragraphs here, and it says life in the desert. Here's some brainstorming questions to help you kind of think about what your central idea might be. So go ahead and read through those. Think to yourself, think those questions over to yourself and kind of try to, because that will help you identify what the central idea is. So for this question, what is the text Life in the Desert about? First, find at least 2 important details. So straight from the text, right? Because we're still citing evidence. That's what it says, citing right here. It's quoting from the text. Then do the central idea. We were going to do this together. We just ran out of time in class because I gave extra time for the quiz. Remember to be decided directly from the text. Think about what the text mostly wants you to know about. Another way to think about this is find a sentence that tells you the most about the topic. If you figured out what the topic was, which keep in mind your title, the text feature will help you find out what the topic is. For example, in this one, life in the desert. So we know that this is going to be about life in the desert. So who lives in the desert? What kind of people is this section talking about? For life in towns, so when we talk about Arabia and the Arab people, there's some people that live in the desert that it was talking about up here. But then, of course, there is a lot of big trading towns that are very important. So you'll read these 2 paragraphs, think about these brainstorming questions again, and for this one, all you got to do is find the central idea. So what sentence in here best sums up these 2 paragraphs that lets you know about life in towns? And then once you guys finish those 2 questions, for 4th and 6th, you guys got to have this done by Monday. For first period, you have to do it done by Tuesday, which for both of you or for all 3 of those classes, that's just our next class. Make sure to get this done, guys.